It's a reference that the Karnataka Congress leaders would wish to take back in hindsight. At a local farmers' rally, leader of opposition in the Karnataka Legislation Assembly, Siddaramaiah, has threatened to create another Nandigram in Karnataka if the state government did not keep in mind farmers' interests while acquiring agricultural land for the Bangalore-Mysore infrastructure corridor. The comment was criticized as being in poor taste and insensitive, as the immediate reference was to Nandigram, where many lives were lost in the bloody standoff provoked by politics. In fact, the opposition leaders have joined hands with an ongoing farmer agitation against the acquisition of land for the Bangalore-Mysore infrastructure corridor, much like how the agitation had begun in Nandigram. In fact, this is what Siddaramaiah said, the leader of opposition in the House, and I quote, he says, if the Yediyurappa government does not heed the demands of the farmers, there will be a Nandigram in Karnataka soon, unquote. When Times Now caught up with the leader claiming to champion the farmers' cause, Siddaramaiah claimed that the farmers were ready to defend their land till the very end, and that is all his comment reflected.
So your party has said that there will be Nandigram-like agitations if the government were to perhaps go ahead with this acquisition.
No, we just cited. See, the people agitated and they won in their struggle. They succeeded in their struggle. Here also such thing may happen if you forcibly wanted to take the lands of the people for which the people are not agreeable.
For more on this, we are joined on the phone line now by our Bangalore correspondent Neha Mehta. Neha, we heard the response of Siddaramaiah, not apologetic at all. The point of the matter being that it's an extremely insensitive comment to make by a political leader.
Well, certainly, let me first start telling you about how the Nandi infrastructure project has been in doldrums since its inception. The project was commissioned by signing an MOU between the then Chief Minister Deve Gowda and the Governor of Massachusetts. But after the BJP and the JDS divorce in Karnataka, what has happened is that JDS and Congress have lashed out against the NICE project, and also to see that BJP government is quite in support of it. But this insensitive comment by Siddaramaiah came yesterday when he was at a village, and he was going around taking the rounds of the village, and when he spoke to press persons there and as well as the villagers, and that's when he said that if the Yediyurappa-led government doesn't heed the demands of the farmers, there'll be a Nandigram in Karnataka soon.